Hey YouTube, welcome back to another video. We are gonna build this computer under 150. First, I picked up this Cooler Master Master Box Lite for $35 from Craigslist. It was brand new in the box. I picked up 400 watt power supply, MSI motherboard, AMD 6-core CPU, MSI 4GB GPU, and a 16GB of RAM from Letgo for $30. This video card is good but not recommended for games, but it can drive 2 HD monitors if you wish to do so. As I said before, it came with 16 gigs of DDR3 RAM, but I'm gonna use only 8 gigs of RAM for this build. Next, I bought brand new 120GB SSD from Micro Center. Okay guys, we have all the parts. Okay, let's build the PC. First, take off both side panels. Install the power supply. Then install motherboard standoff for micro ATX board. Next, install I/O plate, motherboard, video card and SSD in their proper locations. Then hook up all the power wires and data cables. From Banggood.com, I picked up white LEDs and LED dimmer. From a thrift store, I picked up 20-inch Samsung monitor for $15.88. Keyboard also came from a thrift store for $3.16. I picked up refurbished Logitech mouse for $7.40 from Micro Center. I got Windows 10 for free. I think the previous owner installed Windows 10 on this motherboard before, so when I installed Windows 10 Pro, it activated it, so I didn't have to buy a new license. As you see, it cost me $130.97 total. If you like this video, please share, subscribe, give me suggestions down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.